I'll be showing you guys how I got into this sell trade on Euro USD for today. Actually, you I know some persons would have taken 3% here. This was a 1 to 9% trade. Our market already paid 3% initially. I took partials, alright? So I left some positions from my target was this previous daily low. The sell side good. So I'll go over to a new chart and I'll show you how I got into that position. On our 4-hour time frame. So my 4-hour time frame, what I usually want to see on this time frame is, the trend. I want to see the trend. What is the market saying? Yeah, if you see at this point in time, we're on the bullish markets here, but later on, markets was now, kind of downtrend. Yeah, we broke structure here, right? We did break structure here. Okay, so our focus now will be on selling aspect. So we drew our kind of demand and supply, and actually price was reacting from a 5-hour demand zone, which was this one here. Price was reacting pretty well, and like I always say, fundamental is what drives the market, not technical analysis. Yeah, the technical analysis can be very, very beautiful, but fundamentals are the big drivers of the market, so you have to know fundamental analysis also. So according to fundamental analysis for the week, we're expecting Euro USD to keep dropping down, kind of taking a weekly low, and on my 1-hour time frame. There was a supply zone at this top here. Actually, I waited for this trade yesterday, but I didn't get an entry. All this move here was done yesterday, Monday, but I didn't get an entry for that. Okay. So actually, today being Tuesday, market entered very nicely. Okay, market entered nicely yesterday, guys. Yesterday evening, yeah, because I don't trade at the evening. I only take trade during the day, and 5 o'clock I'm done with the market. If any position is on, I close any position. That's my trading strategy, kind of doesn't support me taking trading in the evening, right? However, that is done. So yeah, back to what we were saying. My 1-hour time frame, this was the supply zone I marked here. Let me change the color because market already manipulated it. So this was my 1-hour time frame, and I'll put on my indicator that help me identify what section we are trading, because normally I always trade during the London section and during the New York section. So now back to 5 minutes, I think 4 minutes after, usually where I do take my entries. Alright, since price already reacted yesterday, look at the movement yesterday. Price already reacted on the the supply, the 1-hour supply. So we want to be looking for entry, so also on 30 minutes I think something happened. All right, this was what happened. When price when price got onto this 1 hour supply zone here at the market, it did something. The market structure, you have to understand it, like I said before. When price entered into it, it gave us a low, right? And it gave us a higher high because we're trending up, entering it. So market took out this low during the Asian or the Tokyo session. As you can see here, Tokyo session. All this move here was done during the Tokyo session, and I kind of draw another, supply zone inside the 1 hour supply zone. Now this was my 30-minute supply zone. This one here is my 30-minute supply zone. Those are my 4 hours usually is for knowing where the trend is going, and 30 minutes or 1 hour as an intraday trader I use that to see the bias of the market, like where possibly buyers can react from. And back to the 5 minutes where I take my entry. Okay, I will use my replay tool now to show you something here. On this point, I want to show you how I enter this trade. Yeah, so actually this was what was happening. Now I'm in the 5 minute time frame where I usually take my entry, and I'm waiting for price. I have entry models I do want to see in the market for taking my entry with street rules. Now this is another of my entry model, and I already seen it, so kind of I'm waiting for an entry. That was why I marked out this supply zone, this 30-minute supply zone, like I said before. Now wait for price to do its thing. So let me play this. Now it is the open of the London session. Now if you watch here, during the London session entered. Okay, I think I'll change this color so you don't get confused. Let me change it. Alright, so this was the 30-minute zone, and this was the 1 hour. The one on on gray color is the one on the 1 hour supply, and this one here, this blue one here, is the 30-minute supply. So I was waiting for price to tap into my 30-minute supply, and I want to see some entry there. I want to see some entry criteria, yeah. And now price have already entered into my 30-minute supply zone. What I want to see here now, after tapping into my 30-minute supply zone, I want to see an engulf pattern being formed. What I mean by engulf pattern, if for instance like we want to take a sell now, and we see something like this, is the kind of pattern I want to see. Market is kind of pushing up, and tap into this zone, right? I want to see it drop back down a little bit and trace back up, and kind of engulf this previous retracement it did here, right? It will engulf it, and then that's where I'm gonna take in my sell back to wherever I want to set my take profit. So that is also kind of my entry criteria, and that is what I want to see this trade do, right? So price actually tapping. Okay, I usually call the tapping the first stage, kind of something like this. When it taps in stage 1, we trace back down. Stage 2, I want to see a little bit of retracement again of the move down. Stage 3, and on the 4th move, when price will engulf the previous retracement back up, is the 4th stage that I want to be entering price from. So that is what I want to see price doing here. Okay, so now we are already on stage 1. Price already tapped into the 30-minute supply. All right, so let's see what happened next. Okay, you see, actually, okay, that was too fast, but let me show you this. You can see very well when price tapped in, like I said before, when tapped in, it came back down and it traced a little bit up with this bullish candle here, and kind of the market engulfed it with this move back down. See, so now I will be setting my short position to position here. Actually, that was where I entered here, and my stop loss will just be here. Yeah, when market tapped in. Take profit, like I said before. So purchase my target this point for a 1 to 2 or maybe kind of or 1 to 3. Alright, but this was what I did. I targeted this point here, this one here. Alright, that was the previous very low, so I was expecting price to run back down there, which was the 1 to 8 here, but on the other time was 1 to 9. Yeah. So this was my target. Alright, but we could have also set target here, like I said before, for 1 to 3, and this was what happened thereafter. Price played it and kind of dropped back down, and that was how I got into this trade. Alright, during the long loss section actually, it was a nice trade actually, very very nice trade. I know a lot of traders out there also got into this position on most of the experience. Alright, so that was the 1 to 3 actually. So I'm going to be producing or uploading some videos maybe later during the weekend. Yeah, maybe later during the weekend. I'll be talking about how you can mark out what is it called? How you can mark out your supply and demand zone. Yeah, that'll be my next project I'll be working on for you guys. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, turn up your notification bell so when I post another video, YouTube gonna notify you. Alright, so I'm gonna be seeing you guys on the next one.